GK Mart Face, Nose, and Cough Steamer 3-in-1 Plastic Steam Vaporizer, Nozzle Inhaler, Facial Sauna, and Facial Steamer Machine for adults and kids. Multicolor. Facial Steamer get used for beauty purpose. You can use the sauna during facial, massaging and at the time of cleanup. The vaporizer helps to clear the clogs and rejuvenates your skin. Facial Steamer get used for beauty purpose. You can use the sauna during facial, massaging and at the time of cleanup. The vaporizer helps to clear the clogs and rejuvenates your skin. Attachments. Vaporizer has 3 attachments all in on, consisting of nasal steamer, vaporizer and facial sauna. In nasal steamer you can add inhalant for cold relief and congestion. The warm moist steam relieves persistent cold and cough. Promote the blood circulation of face and skin metabolism. Send the nutrients to the inside of the skin cells through the tiny blood vessels and make the skin smooth, moisture, tender and rosy, and also can delay the aging of the facial skin. Do not use RO/filter water as it stops the steam generation process. Always use normal tap water. Deeply hydrating and improving face blood circulation. Point use for warm steam facial sauna. Point soothing steam opens pores, help remove dirt, bacteria and makeup residue. Product details. Package dimensions: 12x12x12 centimeters, 450 grams. Date first available: the 3rd of February 2021. Manufacturer: Axtor. Item part number: GK665285. Country of origin: India. Manufacturer: Axtor. Item weight: 450 g. Net quantity: 1.00 count. For more information and best offer price this product you can click link in the description below. For more and more offers please subscribe my channel and click bell and choice all notification option. Thank you so much.